and after the big revelation, has the public accepted their admission of love, or have they been added to the list of showbiz couples under siege? Having one of the country's most sought-after bachelors as her boyfriend is just icing on the cake for Casey. The TV host actress shared how she's been blessed even during the start of the year.
I feel grateful. Right now, wala akong ibang magsasabi kung hindi. Thankful ako. Kasi binibigyan ko rin ako ng chance na to continue working at the same time na nakatrabaho yung ibang mga actors dito na talagang nakakasundo ko, na talagang magagaling sa ginagawa nila. So, the first afternoon is siguro, apart from the buzz, merong Star Magic concert tour na sa States. So, makakabalik ako sa Amerika para makita ulit yung mga kapamilya natin noon. And more than that, kasama ko yung artists ng Star Magic. Yung mga kaibigan ko rin dito, sina Sans, na Angelica, Bea, Zanjo, Jando.
Working on a new project with another heartthrob may create controversies and problems with other couples, but not in this case. Casey shares why Fiona never has to worry about her and her new leading man, Sam Milby.
Nakakatawa kasi best friends kami. So parang natatawa kami sa mga yung ibang eksena na parang ayaw ba natin gawin yun? At the same time, alam niyo, nag-grow na rin kasi ako siguro na sa 3 taon na yung actor ko bumalik. Ang dami ko na rin na kilala, na experience, natutunan. So, magiging different talaga itong pelikula. And I'm looking forward to being disciplined, taught, and directed by Direk Cathy Garcia Molina, na talagang, wow, as in rin na-respeto ko talaga. And at the same time, yung storya kasi parang napakaganda, pwede siyang mangyari sa kahit na sinong siya.
As an added kilig bonus, Casey shared with Cinema News her sentiments, why she opened up to the public about she and Fiona spent their first Valentine's as a couple.
I like to keep things simple, and I'm not used to, siguro bilang kasi talk show host, gusto ko rin naman na ma-experience ng mga tao yung mga na-experience ko para maramdaman naman nila na gusto kong makilala nila ako. But at the same time, syempre, first time ko kasi na nasa isang relationship na alam ng tao nasa relationship ako. Kasi usually, ang nangyayari, break na, tapos saka nila nalaman na sila pala. It's the first time that we're sharing it kahit pa paano na, in a way, celebrating it, diba? Kasi ang haba rin ng proseso. And it's hard for me na talagang pinipili ko talaga kung ano yung mga parts na pwede kong i-share. Kasi ayoko naman masyadong i-expose lahat-lahat.
We all have a good party, right? And Cinema News was invited to the two big and hip birthday bashes, both celebrated on the same day, the 20th of February.